welcome back to my channel Cat by Nagendra. So in this video, let's create this simple part. So we are using here stamping tool. So to explain that only I am explaining the simple part. So just I'll go here with this generative sheet metal design. Then here we need thickness and bend radius sheet metal parameters. So here you can see thickness we are having 1.6, then bend radius we are having 3.2. So just sheet metal parameters we need thickness of 1.6 and bend radius of 3.2. Then I'll create one rectangle on the top plane. So to use proper position, I'll use position sketch, then swap reverse vertical. Let's say okay. So just I'll create one center point rectangle here by using constraint. Total length we are having here 545, width we are having 250. So length we are having here 545, then width we are having here 50, 250 like this. Then exit workbench, we'll make it here wall, let's say okay. Then next we are having here two wall on edges. Wall on edge height we are having here 22, and whatever this 250 we have given, it should be from end to end. It means wall on edge material should be towards inside. So just I'll click on wall on edge, this edge and this edge. Height we are having 22. Then material should be towards inside. So let me keep it here side view for better understanding. So I'll keep it here right side view. Now you can see this edge material is collinear with inside edge, so it should be inside. Let's say okay. I'll make it here isometric. Then next we are having here cutouts. So let's create that cutouts. Here we need to go for sketch. So if you want proper position, we can use here position sketch also, exactly on this top face. So swap reverse vertical, let's say okay. So to create this shape, we need one circle with radius of 15. So just we want here one circle. So let me turn off this grid. So we don't want this grid. Just I'll turn off this grid here. Then dimension from center to edge we are having here 20. This to this we need here distance of 20. Then to create this cut, so just I'll draw one rectangle like this by using quick trim. Let me trim this. We don't want this, this and this. Then by using constraint, this line to this line we need here coincidence. Dimension for this we are having radius of 15. Then from this edge to center we are having here 75. So we need to check from where we are having this material. From this edge to this center we are having distance of 75 like this. Then again here curve is there, like directly fillet is there. Later we can apply that. Then this cutout should be same equal to this. So circle to line we will make it here tangency. Same here also, circle to line will make it tangency. Same cutout we need opposite side also. Just I'll select this sketch like this. By using mirror with reference to vertical axis, we'll make it mirror. Then we'll make here cutout. Up to next preview, let's say like this. Then we need here fillet. So fillet we are having here, you can see here also fillets are there. Then here also fillets are there. So we don't have any proper radius fillet here. You can see all fillet radius should be 10 mm. It means separately they have not mentioned, but downside we are having here fillet radius of 10 mm. So let's give that fillet radius of 10 mm for this, again this edge, then this edge. Next to that we are having this, then again here. So wherever we want to apply these fillets, just we need to select that proper edge, just like this. We are having radius of 10, let's say, okay, like. Then last we can go here with this stampings. If you make cut section here, this is the shape we want. So this directly we can achieve by using here circular stamp. So just I'll go here, directly we can go with flanged hole, not circular stamp, flanged hole. Why? Because here flange position is there, material removed. So flanged hole we need to select. So just I'll go here with this flanged hole from this first surface here. Diameter we are having 90. So diameter we are having 90. Height we want to select. So this height we are having 6.6. Radius we are having 5. Height we want 6.6. Radius of 5. So just I'll go for preview. Now you can see material is going towards downside direction, but we need in upward direction. If I click on this arrow, material will come upside like this. So just I'll say okay. So here again we can need to edit this proper position. So just I'll open this sketch by double clicking on that, and by using constraint, this point should be exactly on this horizontal axis. I'll make it coincidence. Dimension from end to center we are having 112.5. We need here 112.5. Exit workbench, like this it will be found. Same by using this extra we need 3 with a distance of 160. So flanged hole I'll select. We'll go for rectangular pattern with reference to this. Total we need 3 with a distance of 160. Like this, let's say okay. So in this simple way we can create simple part. So I hope you have understood about this part. So if you feel this video is informative, please share to your friends to whom it will be useful. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.